So, should we start? Are you curious why I chose to talk about breaking the glass ceiling? No, somebody said no. What are you curious about then? Me. That's exactly the point. I'll tell you guys about me through what I'm going to talk about. So first and foremost, good evening and a big round of applause to all of you. I cannot tell you how happy I am to be here today and to actually be talking to all of you. This is the second time I've been in this auditorium, and each time it's been so wonderful. I just want to thank Shobha ma'am, Shobha Day, who actually asked me to do this. We'll find out after this session how much I want to actually thank her. Penguin Random House, who asked me to come here. Mr. Sanjay Gupta, Hemali Sodi, Nandan Jha, Sonia Singh, who's going to be asking me a lot of questions after this is over on this couch, and I'm pretty sure she's going to grill me a lot. But before we start, can I ask all of you something? Would you mind doing something for me? No? Yes? No? Then you must go out. Out. All right, raise your hands when I count to 3 and stand up if you can and just start cheering and clapping. 1, 2, 3. Clap. ये जरा record कर लेना. I just wanted to ensure that I could tell everyone I got a standing ovation on my speech. Gotcha! Thank you, thank you. So my father used to always tell me something which I want to share with you. That why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper? You know, like we were told, like Cinderella did, why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper when you can shatter the glass ceiling? I want to tell you a little secret. I'm not very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling. Why does it annoy me? Because it takes the context of everything that I have done, all my achievements, all my hard work, and puts it into a box. As if my ambition was, Kire, I want to find a glass ceiling and break it. Not at all. To be really honest, I was never in a mission to break, to shatter anything. All I wanted was to chase my dreams, my ambitions. I wanted to evolve. I wanted to become the best version of me that I could be. And of course, in Priyanka Chopra style, along the way, I wanted to smash and break every obstacle that came my way, which I did. But that does not mean that the glass ceiling doesn't exist. Of course it exists. And countless of women and men, mostly women, run into it in their professional and personal lives. And I'm sure a lot of you can vouch for that right now. The Oxford Dictionary definition of the glass ceiling is an unacknowledged barrier to advancement in a profession, especially affecting women and members of minorities from rising beyond a certain level in a hierarchy. And this metaphor was first coined by feminists in reference to barriers in careers of high-achieving women. So why did I choose it as my topic for today if I hated it so much? Because I hope through my experiences I can present to you the tools to live your dream and to not make that glass ceiling that is defined by society, largely patriarchal, as your goal. I want you to aim higher because you know you can. And it's honestly all I did. Every step of the way, all I did was set a higher standard. How did I get here? By being fierce, by being fearless, and by being flawed. Completely and utterly flawed. I'm not perfect, like none of us are.